found something that will last. The choice is made. You give it all to live and
Redmi
give.
Note 14 5G smartphone. The available storage variants are 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, 6GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, and 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. The available color variants are Titan Black, Mystique White, and Phantom Purple. This comes with 16GB RAM including 8GB virtual RAM, and 128GB storage memory. Designed with 6.67 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED, 1080 by 2400, ultra-narrow bezels display with 120Hz refresh rate with 2100 nits peak brightness, and has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display protection. Featured with 50-megapixel Sony Light 600 AI triple camera, with 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 2-megapixel macro camera, and has 20-megapixel front camera. Built with MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra 6nm octa-core 5G processor, for high performance with up to 2.5 GHz. And has Android 14, with Xiaomi Hyper OS. It comes with 5110 mAh large battery, with 45 watts fast charger inbox, and Type-C connectivity. The box includes USB cable, power adapter, screen protector, SIM tray ejector and screen protector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.